Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace, and right now we are making puff puff. So right here we have cooking oil, baking powder, yeast, we have our milk right here, salt, 1 egg and flour. That's all we shall need for this. Oh, and some sugar. That's all we shall need for this recipe. Let's start. So I'll start by proofing our yeast. This is active dry yeast. I'll add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Then our yeast, I'll add some water. Warm water. Then I'll just add this little sugar to help in the proofing. So I'll stir. And then cover it and let it stay for 10 minutes. So right here we are making our sugar syrup. I've just added water and 1 cup of sugar. So this is just sugar and water. I think the sugar is kind of brown. I'll squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. So right now we shall go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of flour, wheat flour. Those are 2 cups of flour. We'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll go ahead and mix it. So right now our yeast is ready. I'll go ahead and break in the egg. So I'm using the egg here because we are not going to use butter. But if you're using butter, you can do away with the egg. That's our yeast and the egg. Add some oil. And then we'll add in our milk, little by little. If the milk is not enough, you can add in water. So this is the texture we want. So right now I'll cover and let it sit for 1 hour. Right now our syrup is ready. Shall just put it aside and let it cool. In our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. Right now we are going to start. Right here we have some cooking oil. Our oil right there is already hot, so you just dip the spoon in cooking oil and then you just scoop and put. So this is the easiest way when you're just learning. So the cooking oil helps you so that the butter doesn't stick on the spoon. So our first batch is ready, and that's how they look like. So you just keep on doing the same thing until you finish all your butter. So right now we are done. This is the last batch. Well, right here we have our dish and our syrup is right there. It's ready. So I'll just go ahead and put the puff here. You can see how our syrup has become. So I'll just go ahead and pour some syrup. I think that's enough. Then I'll go ahead and mix. So you can see how shiny they've become. That's the syrup we've just poured. Time for serving.
Wow. It's time to enjoy our evening tea with puff.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.